It seems that we've changed from thinking about when the Fed will cut rates to when the Fed will increase rates. The conflict with Iran is still ongoing, but this week it was driven off the front pages of the Wall Street Journal by two events. Well, really three. The first being the potential IPOs of Elon Musk's SpaceX and Anthropic. The employment numbers came out at plus 172,000, I believe, and the estimate was for plus 88. When you went back and looked at the revisions, both 2 months and 3 months, they were significantly higher. It seems that we've changed from thinking about when the Fed will cut rates to when the Fed will increase rates. As a matter of fact, if you looked at Bloomberg's implied probabilities of Fed actions uh, in January, it was all when would the Fed cut rates? Right now, it's when will the Fed increase rates? It puts the new Fed chair in a difficult position politically. The numbers are saying increase rates. The political stress is to decrease rates. Warren Buffett had an investment philosophy of being fearful when others are greedy and being greedy when others are fearful. Ray Dalio pointed out this week that the prick in bubbles, stock market bubbles, usually comes when owners of companies decide to take their wealth and turn it into cash. We could be seeing that with the IPOs of SpaceX and Anthropic. We at CDI have chosen to be a little more fearful than greedy at this point in time. In terms of rate changes in the various markets, municipal securities are looking extremely rich when you look at them as a ratio to their treasury equivalents. And you can see that in our weekly commentary. Another example of that is when you sample national municipal money funds and compare them to taxable money funds, those ratios are 50% and lower. So even muni money market funds are extremely expensive at this point in time. That will change as we go into note season, and what that is when municipalities issue um, the notes that they use for working capital during the year. But right now, munis are extremely rich across the board.